With the energy system transitioning to enable increasing volumes of low-carbon generation, there is a growing need to identify agile ways to restore the grid in the event of complete network shutdown, particularly given the conventional restoration resources like coal, oil and gas will no longer be available. To meet net zero goals, a large volume of offshore wind in particular will be deployed in coming years and will exceed the total net demand of the GB transmission system. Our SIF Blade project will therefore investigate and demonstrate how innovative technologies can result in those assets being capable of supporting system restoration. This will ensure the GB electricity network remains resilient even with ever-increasing low-carbon and renewable technology connections, whilst enabling accelerated rollout of offshore wind to help meet net zero ambitions.